Oh my god, guys, I forgot. I also got my April bag, and I'm so excited because it's a really cute bag. So let's do another unboxing video. So if you guys want to see what I got for April, then just keep on watching.
Sorry if it's hard to catch my vibe. I need a lover to trust. Tell me you're on my side. Are you down for the ride? It's not easy with some.
Alright guys, so this is the Ipsy April bag, and it's really cute. So it has all these butterflies here, and then the back is like a rose gold purplish color, and really dainty and cute. So it looks like there's a lot of products inside, so let's go ahead and dig in. So as usual, there is the card, and this says a social butterfly Ipsy April 2018, and then of course the message as usual. So the first thing that I see is this is from the brand Purifect,
and it is a coconut micellar cleansing water all-in-one. It is a soothing and ultra hydrating, no rinse and no rub formula, oil free for all skin types.
Really nice. So I'm excited to use this, and it's really a good size, especially that I am going back to the gym, so I can bring this with me and put it in my gym bag. So that's really cute. The next thing that I see is this big one right here. I don't know what this is. Okay, so this is from the brand Theorie, and it is a detoxifying hair mask. Wow, okay, I think this is like the second product that I got as for my hair. Refines and condition all hair types. Ooh, I wonder if it's gonna make my my hair less oily. I am excited. So I believe this is a full size. Yes, so I have that. And the next thing that I see here, it is from the brand Nomad, and this is a illuminated highlighting powder, and I don't know what the I think it's the shade is called Midnight Sun, I believe, and I think this is a sample size. So let's open it. So it looks like this. Yeah, it's really small, guys. So it's a black shade, and it says Nomad, and it's a illuminated highlighting powder in the shade Midnight Sun. And let's see, I think it's a gold one. Oh wow, okay, it's a really nice color, guys. So it's a champagne white shade. Really nice, but I don't think it's gonna soothe my skin. So that's that. It's a really cute one for maybe you can use it for like highlighting the eye area, tear duct area and highlighting the brow bone. So the next product that I see is this is the NYX soft matte lip cream, and this is in the shade Ibiza. I think it's Ibiza. So it's a reddish orange shade, and it looks like that, and this is a full size. These retail for $7, so it's basically the half value of the bag already, because Ipsy bags are like $10. So really nice, and this is a brand that I already love and used and excited to try. Okay, and then the last one is, are you ready? It is a setting powder, and it is in a cute packaging. So it's this small size, right guys, and this is a banana setting powder. It is in the shade medium, and it's from the brand BP. I don't know, I think that's it doesn't say, but oh, Bella Pierre. What? see this brand all over Ross and TJ Maxx, and oh my god, I didn't know they carry such a thing. Okay, so this is a powder, and this is a good size for my gym bag, guys. I'm really excited to use this. I have the Laura Mercier, and I have the Coty Airspun powder. I haven't used the Airspun, but Patrick Star always raves it, so I have to try now, so I can put this in my gym bag and I can just leave the Coty Airspun here at home. And yeah, so excited for this. So that is it, guys. That's all the products that I got for this month. And if you guys like this kind of videos, as always, please don't forget to like this video, comment down below what you guys want to see next, and don't forget, there's a giveaway coming up soon, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.
Smile on you, you deserve it, baby, you deserve it all. And I'm gonna give it to you, go to